Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos, and today we are going to have our first episode of tea party. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching you guys. كبرات حواتهم قاعد حنمزقكم سمي إيدن بحال لو ما انتقاني tea party نحنقبر episode 4 مالتيو نمبر قطر 4 كنت فتوه قاني تسفاي قبر حواتي يغني لي. Okay guys, today's video is sponsored by Sipspy. Sipspy is a company who distribute specialties from all around the world. It's a monthly subscription. All you need to do is just sign with them and they'll send you monthly. It's personalized just for you and you just pick what kind of teas you want. You sign up with them, they're gonna send you a tea every month. Your choice. You can go to their website and choose what kind of tea you like. My all-time favorite tea is the cinnamon tea. So if you are interested, I will leave their information for you guys. You check it out. Also, we do have a coupon for the first time, $5 off. The coupon is Eden, like my name, EDEN in capital letter. Okay, كبرات حوات لو ما عندكم بقى تي باري زلوانا دلو مغنياتو سيبسباي يوم سبونسر غير موز فيديو سيبسباي على مولو ناي على مولو شاهي ديستريبيوت تقبرو سو انت عم سوم ساين غيركم ورحوي زدا لكم عينة شخص لكم يا مالتيو ndagana ha coupon لنا كم شمي مالتيو إيدن EDN ساين مس قبركم بو غيركم كتغوزو خلهم حمش قرشي فرخ قبركم تاني مجمريا ورح مالتيو بسترفه انت كم سردو لي مساحتكم شير قبري. Okay guys, when they send you a tea, they will personalize it for you. This one is made for me personally. You can see my name in here. So they send me, ooh, it's kusa tea. This is a powder. You just open it and put it on your cup. I cannot wait to taste it. This is a new thing. And the second one is organic Indian tulsi tree. This is a tulsi tea. I never heard of it. It's made out of from roses or something like that. So we are going to test this one today. And the third one they sent me is rooibos tea, organic rooibos tea. It's like red tea, naturally caffeine free. Okay, we're gonna try this one. And the fourth and the least is s'more chai tea. I know everybody loves chai tea, so I cannot wait to taste it with you guys. And I forgot to tell you last time, whenever they send you tea, they send you like coupons too, like for different kind of teas. They give you a lot of coupons. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and also we send you, they send us they also send you tea bags. All you need to do is just put your teas in here. Okay, it's like, okay, so let's taste our teas. اوكي كبرات حواتي لو من بعري دسلرو لي 4 عينت شاي سيدوم لي مجمريا زي كوساتي تبحال از باودريو افتي ما يفلح كاتتو مالتيو كم زفتيني فلطني سو اي كان ويت سكند دسلرو لي كا اورغانيك روبيوستي رويبوستي ريكتي خاوي كابحال سالسيتات تولسي تي كل ذا أورجانيك إن أنت عباي مالتي خاص s'mores chai tea بطعم حبشة بزحت ساتي ورق لكم. So let's مسوق عبا زي كوبان يسدوا لكم يوم بوز عينت كوبانات كل شيء عم يسدوا لي مسوق زي ورقاتنا توقع يسدوا لي مالتي مسوق يزمت مست باكيج. So كنفتنا ينعبل. Okay guys, the s'mores chai tea is really big. It lasts about 6 times, so I'm gonna go ahead fill my tea bag for just now. This s'mores chai tea بتعمل قد في مالتي نشدش جزء يتنحكى so نحسب بتي أنا تي باك ملاعي مالتي. Guys, this is the s'mores chai tea. This is very different, and it's it smells like amazing, you guys. It's like chocolate coffee kind of smell. كبرات حوات is s'mores chai tea خاني لك chocolate coffee عينت كم يجيجانو بتعم حنني لوز جزع already. Guys, I never seen instant tea before except the iced tea. This is gonna be interesting. I cannot wait to taste it. كبرات حوات كم زي instant tea تعبي يفلت اني زي iced tea تراي ريد اللي هو خمو. سكان في التنينة. I can't wait. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit late, about 4 days. Original, I post like the 15th, but this month the kids are going back to school, so I was so busy this month. I'm so sorry. It won't happen again. كبرات حواتي قريتها على تعسرت حموشة لي كل شيء زي بوست قبل نيرة لومي ورحجن بتعمي بيزا خوينا مخنياتو قلعت سلادم لا سدلو تمرتي shopping قال ملك وسدون قال ملس بيزا قني قريتها next time دحنا on time هنا بوست من قبره. Okay guys, it's ready. Okay guys, it's time to taste the tea. I'm gonna start from the one I already love. It smells so good. It's a chai tea, so let's go ahead and taste it. Oh my goodness, this is so different. It tastes like chocolate chip cookies. I'm serious. It is so good. Wow, I could drink like 2-3 cups. Not kidding you guys. This is the chai tea. Oh my god, I love it. وكبرت عوات is chai tea مالتيو لك chocolate cookie لك قومي دتعم كتعم كنا نقولكم ما يكلني كلتا سلسة خباها مسات خوني يا رب زي قلملي. It's amazing you guys. And next I'm gonna go ahead and try the instant tea. It's called kusati. That's what it's called. Instant tea is not that popular, so we'll see how this tastes. It needs a little bit more sugar, but it tastes good. Yeah, it's a little bit bitter, so I'm gonna add a little bit sugar, okay? This is really great for tea lovers, you guys. This is a little bit bitter. You need a little bit sugar, but it tastes so good. Yeah, it tastes good, but it's like I said, it's a little bitter. This is great for tea lovers, you know. The people love tea and they cannot live without. They're gonna love this tea. Okay, كبرت حوات زي instant tea خا مالتي زي instant already ready زخنا مالتي كوساتي إزبال كتعمو خلها قرط لي مرر بل بزح اكستايد لي كمالتي زي قطف ناي جدا قطف نيرو مرر دبله كم خوين تسمعني. And next I'm gonna taste the red tea, which is Robios. بلي ساقا زي red تقطع ماي مالتيو سكساقا. واو, it's typical tea مالتيو. زي شاهي بزي كمان مش شاهي نبينو نقبرو كم مالتيو زي. So نزق ستي غلقوس كمان ما تقولو نير أنا مالتي. Okay guys, this is like original tea, like every tea that like Lipton, without any spices. That's how it tastes like. If I drink it next time, I will add some spices into it to just make it like a little bit flavorful. Otherwise, it's really good. It's nice. And the fourth one is the Tulsi tea. That's organic Indian Tulsi tea. So we'll see how it tastes. I love this one. It's like fruity. Wow. It tastes like mango, pineapple, peach mixed into one. That's how it tastes. It's so good. Oh, كبرت حوات زي أخاني زي كستاه زي تولسي دبالكم ناي هندي مالت ناي هندي شهي ناي فروت شهي يطعم مالتي طعمه خلقة كم زي مانجوس كوخ باين أبل قال حوسو سابيل كاتجورو ثم كوب عينة تطعم كطعم كنا نقولكم هيكل Wow. This is one of my favorites, you guys. One of them. Perfect. Wow. Well, my today favorite tea is number 1 is the chai tea. No tea can beat this up except the cinnamon tea. The second one is the tulsi tea. Is so amazing, you guys. Those two is like wow. I'll be crazy about. Okay, guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you in the next month for the 5th episode. If you have any questions, please ask me. And if you are interested on Sips by tea, please, I'm gonna leave their information on the description box. Like I say, we have a coupon, Eden, EDN, capital letter, for $5 off for the first month. Okay, كبرت حوات زي يعني راني لومي فاتيهم ما هتكونوا تسفان داك بركو أبز متصور حقا episode 5 كنا راخبينا شو خاص استفلا لي عينة شهيقة كتعمل لكم مالتيو. Thanks guys for watching. I love you all so much. Thanks Sips by for sponsoring this video.